This May 2025, we're taking a quick look ahead. There's an upcoming event recognizing some really impactful women.
Yeah, the 7th WCH Royal Summit, and specifically their Women of the Year recognition.
Exactly. And for this deep dive, we wanted to focus a bit on one honoree, Dr. Marilou Oro. Her story kind of touches on leadership, healthcare.
And humanitarian work, really. It's quite the combination.
Okay, so this summit, it's organized by We Care for Humanity, WCH, right? And its founder, Queen Mariam Leonor Torres Mastura.
That's right. It's happening May 27th and 28th, 2025, out in Las Vegas at the Gold Coast Hotel and Casino.
Got it. And Dr. Oro, she's being recognized. What really stands out is her entrepreneurial side in healthcare.
Definitely. She's the founder of Visiting Doctors Management of Texas, Healthcare Liaison Services. A few others, too, actually.
And the focus seems to be on medically underserved populations.
Exactly. In Texas, Arizona, and Michigan. It looks like she really identified a need, a need for accessible healthcare in those areas.
So not just starting businesses, but businesses aimed at specific community needs, like comprehensive and cost-effective care.
Precisely. That seems to be the driving force making healthcare work better for people who often fall through the cracks.
And it's not just the business side either, is it? There's significant humanitarian work.
Oh, absolutely. You see things like ACE Cancer Care, that's support for cancer patients and their families. It's vital work.
And I saw involvement with Head for the Cure, too.
Yeah, fighting brain cancer. Plus, she apparently holds recurring health fairs, offering free consultations to indigent patients. That's very direct community impact.
Right. Addressing immediate needs for vulnerable groups. It paints a pretty consistent picture.
Or yeah, especially when you hear her guiding principles. She talks about the goal being to heal, to help, to serve with knowledge, compassion, and integrity.
That ties it all together, doesn't it? The business ventures, the hands-on charity work. It all seems to stem from that core idea.
It really does. And, this isn't the first time she's been recognized.
Ah, right. She's received an Entrepreneur of the Year award before.
And an Outstanding Leadership Award, too. So this WCH Royal Summit honor, which specifically looks for exceptional leadership and commitment to positive change.
It feels like a really fitting acknowledgement of her overall contribution.
Exactly. It aligns perfectly with what the summit aims to celebrate.
So looking at Dr. Oro's recognition this May, it really highlights something important, I think.
What's that?
Just the potential for that powerful intersection,
Yeah.
between being a successful entrepreneur in a critical field like healthcare.
And having this deep, ongoing dedication to humanitarian service. They aren't separate tracks for her.
Right. They seem completely intertwined. It's quite inspiring, actually.
It really is. And maybe the takeaway for you listening is to consider that impact. The impact individuals can have when they dedicate their careers not just to innovation,
But also to service, especially in essential fields like healthcare, ensuring that innovation actually reaches the people who need it most.
Yeah. It's about bridging that gap between progress and people. A powerful thought.